Have you ever craved fried chicken at 2 a.m. but everything is closed? We are proud to present Fried Chicken, our first fried chicken vending machine. Open 24/7 whenever hunger strikes. Freshly made, crispy and delicious. Choose any cut you want, we have it all. Now, let's look at our customer feedbacks.
I first found fried chicken when I was craving fried chicken at 2 a.m. and everything was closed. I wasn't sure how good fried chicken from a vending machine could be, but it was fresh, hot and crispy, just like from a KFC. It's amazing to have fried chicken available at any time I want, even if it's a day or a night. For me, the biggest benefit was saving time. I'm always busy and don't have time to wait in lines or cook. With fried chicken, I just choose my favorite cut, and in a minute, I get a freshly made, perfect cooked and delicious chicken. It's fast, convenient, and perfect for my hectic schedule. Just like what Julius Caesar once said, ความรักเหมือนกินไข่เพราะกินเท่าไหร่ก็ไม่เบื่อ The best part, fried chicken is open 24/7. No matter when hunger hits, you can get any cut you want. Wings, drumstick, side, or cook fresh. Right when you order. It's like having a KFC in just a vending machine. Anytime you want it. Fried chicken isn't just love from people in Thailand. It's winning fans from all over the world. Let's hear what two of our international customers have to say.
Tralalero tralala, bambatira crocodile, mamma mia, 我在这里干什么？你们又是谁？我现在就享受。
Available now for 5% off until the 1st of May. Fried Chicken is open 24/7, cooking your favorite cuts fresh to order. Wings, drumsticks, thighs, breast. And all crispy, juicy and ready in minutes. No lines, no waiting, just hot fried chicken anytime you want it. So why wait? Grab your fried chicken now and satisfy those cravings on the fly. Meet a member of the Fried Chicken team. Hope you enjoy and welcome to our family.